Hi, I'm Brittany, your Stop and Shop dietitian. I want to welcome you today to my kitchen for Wellness Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you a quick recipe that's super simple. You'll want to grab your kids for this one. They're going to love it because you're making watermelon pizza. This recipe takes less than 10 minutes to make and uses just 5 ingredients. The best part is you don't even need to turn on your oven for this one, so you can stay nice and cool while making this refreshing treat. Everything I'm using to make this recipe today is right in front of me. We're using watermelon, some non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, fresh strawberries and blueberries, and a little bit of honey at the end. Each slice of this pizza is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. I bought a whole watermelon and then just sliced this right down the middle and cut a 2-inch round slice from there. It's okay if it doesn't come out even, mine normally doesn't either. Either way, it'll taste great. We are going to start layering the toppings on top of this tasty pizza. First up is our vanilla Greek yogurt. Feel free to substitute in plain Greek yogurt if you want to cut back on sweetness. Either way, I like to buy the store brand for yogurt. It's always super affordable and always tastes great. So you'll want to spread this yogurt out just like you would pizza sauce and go right up to the edge of the rind. That'll be your pizza crust. All right, so now it's time to layer on our fruit toppings. The more color, the better when it comes to fruit. So again, have your kids pick their favorites and add every pop of color you can to this beautiful pizza. If you'd like, you can always add a little bit of crunch with some nuts and seeds. That'll add some healthy fats. I think that looks good to me. I'm gonna save the rest of my fruit for another tasty treat later. And our next step is to drizzle a little bit of honey, get a little more sweetness on this pizza. I like to use the store brand of honey because it's the same quality taste at a really affordable price. It's a great pantry item to always have on hand. And lastly, cut this pizza into nice, even slices. You can even use a pizza cutter if you really want to get into the theme. So with a slice like this, you can enjoy pizza anytime. You can find the link to this recipe online at stopandshop.com/nutrition. There you can also find the signups for our online classes and other nutrition resources. See you next Wednesday.